Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I'm Rovina. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and cut sole fish. We call Nang in Tulu and Lepo in Konkani. They say the ones with the black fins are tastier. First, let's check for the freshness. You can see a gel-like substance on the fish. That's a good sign of freshness. We also have different types of fish. You can see the one with the white fins and there is another one slightly different in shape. I have tried all the varieties. So compared to all these, the one with the black fin is very tasty. Let's get started. First, cut off the head portion using the pair of scissors. The link to buy this pair of scissors is mentioned in the description box. It's very useful in the kitchen. Sometimes these fish can be quite slippery and hard to handle. My grandmother used to rub sand on her hand to get a better grip. Gently open the skin at the tip of the head portion where you just made a cut and slightly pull it off. It should come out easily. You can use any kind of flour like maida, wheat or besan if you find the fish is very slippery. Pull the skin off from both the sides. You can find the playlist of all the different types of fish cutting tutorials in the above mentioned cards that pop up at the top of this video. To subscribe and follow my channel for all the updates on my upcoming videos and recipes. Cutting sole fish is very easy if you follow the right techniques. You can just see how easily I pulled off the skin from both the sides. Sometimes it's a bit difficult. In that case, you may have to use your knife to take out the skin. Now you can cut the tail and trim the fins with your scissors. After I cut and clean this fish, I am going to prepare a delicious curry. So stay tuned for all the updates on this channel. Pull out the intestine and any kind of dirt. Usually the sole fish doesn't have a lot of dirt in the stomach area. Now I'll cut this fish into big pieces. Each fish has a different process while cutting. Cleaning is almost the same for all the fish. You have to marinate the fish before preparing it so that you get a very good taste to the curry or any kind of preparations you make. Now let's clean the fish. Wash the fish pieces in 2 rounds of water. That's more than enough. Don't do it more than that. The fish may lose some of its flavor. After first round of rinsing the fish, ensure that all the dirt is removed from the intestine. That is the most important part, and you take out that black indent that is stuck inside the fish. So when you do the second round of cleaning, you have to just rinse the fish. Done with 2 rounds of washing. Now I will just go for a quick salt and vinegar soak. This helps to enhance the natural flavor and neutralizing that distinct fish smell. So once you have marinated this for 10 minutes, wash it with very little water. Do not rinse it. Just add enough water to soak the fish and just take it out so that the excess salt is removed from the fish. Thank you for watching this video.